So as you can see, yesterday I was able to put together whatever poles I could. Okay, these are the roof poles and stuff, and these go to the roof. That's the legs. So I was able to kind of put together some of the stuff before it got too late, because what happened was apparently it came with no instructions, and to find the instructions on the internet was not easy. Ended up going to the Better Business Bureau, and they gave me the number to the company. Called the company, and they emailed me the installation. So that's the installation for it. There's a couple other parts. These are the corners and the leg stands. These are the sides and the top. So we're going to go ahead and lay this out and put it together.
Lord have mercy. I'm a trailer park boy. I live on the west side of town.
So we got the top done. Yep. There it is. Look at that. That thing is huge. Yeah, it is. That thing is huge. Whew. Now I just got to go ahead and fasten down all the Velcro. Well, there it is. The truck is back underneath the canopy. Now I just got to put the sides on, and then I can go ahead and wash it, do what little repair and patch up work I needed to do, and then I just need to clear it, and I can take it back down. There it is. That's what we got going on. Now I just got, like I said, now I just got to put the panels on the side, and we'll be good to go. All right. Very cool.
Let's go do this shit now. Trailer park boy in a trailer park in the light. I'm trailer park boy, you know I'm up to no good. Trailer park boy, you know I'm up to no good.
Oh, there you have it. The 63 is back underneath another imitation, whatever you want to call it, temporary paint booth. Hopefully this one will withstand the winds, but it's not going to be up for too long because I'm just going to tomorrow game plan, wash it, wash the truck, take care of all the chips and dings that it got during the last storms, patch them up, clean them up, whatever I got to do, and clear it. Let it cure for 3 or 4 days. Then I can go ahead and take the tent down and start putting it back together. So anyways, appreciate y'all watching, following me, subscribing. You know, I don't know how exciting my content is, but anyways, there we have it. The 63 back underneath the paint booth. And like I said, I just gotta clear it and I can take this back down again and not worry about storms and stuff like that tearing it up. Start putting it back together, get this fired up. So anyways, thanks for watching, following, subscribing, liking, doing all that good stuff. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right? Y'all have a good day now, and God bless.